resting for you. You need a bit of energy. Yes, I know. I've been sick for 3 days, but I'm doing all right. What are you up to? Around and hi, Cookie, what's up? Yeah, my friends are, yeah, we're good boys. Yeah, let's chase each other. And I know you. You're too small and sick. Come on, let's go. Yeah, I'm here on Jesus Island. I'm enjoying the sunlight. We're on lovely warm sand. And I'm recuperating from 2 ticks that I suffered from for the last 3 days. Yeah, so far I'm doing well. And I don't mind a bit of sleep right now, if I can. Master's gonna carry me over the water, and I'll be walking home. Yep, that's what I'll do.